how to hard reset and erase all content and settings on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to your clock face by pressing on the crown button. Then press on the crown button to go to the home screen layout. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on reset. Next, tap on erase all content and settings. Now say that erasing will not remove activation lock, which prevents someone else from using this Apple Watch if it's lost. Tap on that, then we scroll down. Once you are sure that you want to erase your content, you tap on the erase all button, and that will allow you to proceed ahead and reset your Apple Watch. Now I'm going to cancel as I do not want to reset at this point in time, but if you want to go ahead, and then just tap on that reset button, and that's it. Once you have reset your Apple Watch, you need to set it up and pair with your iPhone again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.